What's up, everybody? I got a brand new segment for you called State of the Market. And today, I want to talk about valuing stocks. Now, I have been trying to tighten up how I select stocks. I want to recommend a balanced portfolio to everybody. I want to recommend something in each category of that portfolio and tell you exactly where to put it and how much of those kind of stocks you should have, right? And I absolutely never want anybody that follows me to lose money. I would never tell you to invest in something I wouldn't invest in, or invest in something that I don't feel almost 100% confident you're gonna make money. And it's getting really, really hard for me to stick to the same way I've been doing. And it's basically because I'm torn between stocks. I'm sorry. Let me put it like this. Companies that people like and stocks that perform well. And what's the crazy part is, it's like, okay, so if I've got the 50-40-10, I've got my 50% large cap aggressive growth, my 40% high value stocks, and my 10% high risk, high reward specs, okay? My 50% is slowly drifting into the big and slow based on how expensive they are and how fast they're growing. And I'm down to like a handful of stocks that I personally am invested in that have high growth and they're a little bit more expensive than the value stocks. And I'm separating those from the 10% high risk, high rewards, because those are the ones I feel like haven't 100% proven that their company can do what they say they want to do. They're not profitable. The earnings aren't high enough. Like, they're working on it. They need more time, you know? And no, nothing against those companies. Those are just the companies I don't want to rely on, because if any of the companies in my portfolio go belly up, it's probably going to be in that category. My problem is now is that the companies that I like and that other people like say Spotify and Tesla, those companies, even though they're household names now, where they should be in the high cap aggressive growth, like the industry leaders are in the speculation column. And I'm starting to think that I'm playing it too safe. And I'm trying to balance my portfolio now to where I guess more aggressive. Like, I thought I was already being aggressive by not, having more Walmarts and McDonald's and Costco's and stuff like that, I thought, Amazon and all the other 100 PE stocks were risk. I thought they were risky enough, and then, that 10% is just, I'm basically just gambling. They may make it, they may not. But there's so many companies with 200, 400, 800, 1,000, 2,000 PEs. They're so expensive based on the amount of money that they make. They're so expensive. And I just don't know if that's okay. So my question is how does everybody else feel about it? Do you worry about the data that a company actually puts out? Do you worry about the sales, the revenue, the cash flow, the cash on hand? Does anybody actually worry about that? That's around my age. I'm 30. Does anybody in their 20s or 30s, early 40s actually care about it? Or are you just buying stuff that you like? So with that, that's all I got. Leave me a comment. Tell me how you feel about it. Tell me if there's something you're interested in. Tell me if there's a thought you had about this whole conversation. And I'll leave it there.